Welcome back. In this video, I will be demonstrating Google Jamboard, which is a really cool tool for brainstorming. You can either brainstorm with yourself, you can brainstorm with a group, and in order to get there, as with the other G Suite products, you want to log in first to your Muhlenberg account, login.muhlenberg.edu into your browser, sign in with your Muhlenberg password, select G Suite from the Apps portal. Your Muhlenberg email will launch. From there, click the grid icon in the upper right. And for this one, for Jamboard, you're actually going to have to scroll down a little bit and click More. And Jamboard is toward the bottom here. So select Jamboard. Jamboard is a relatively new app that Google has added to its suite of tools. And I just want to show you first what it looks like. I'm just going to click on one that I've done here for myself. You can use this as just a repository for ideas that you have about a project. You can use this on your own. So the format basically is like a whiteboard with sticky notes. So if you would like to, I'm going to go back home here. If you would like to begin a brand new Jamboard, you want to click in the orange plus sign down here. I don't know why they put it all the way down here in the right. That's difficult to find. But if you click on it, that will bring you to a brand new untitled jam. So first thing you can do is give your Jamboard a name. I still can't type. And I want to point out first, you have some options in terms of the background color. So the default is just plain white. If you click background, you can select polka dots, lines, graphs. You can give it different colors. I kind of like polka dots, so I'm going to keep that there. And so let's say that I'm collaborating with my team and we're using a Jamboard and I have an idea for our projects. What I'm going to do to capture that idea is I'm going to write it on a sticky note to add to my Jamboard. To do that, you always select the arrow key first for select, then select this or click on this icon for sticky note, and it will allow you to type your note right inside. So let's say that one of my ideas for the group was to engage in interviews of community members. So I can just write a note about that. You can select the color of the sticky note up here. And once you're finished, click Save. Then you have to click outside of the box. And when you do that, you will see your sticky note appear on your board. If you click on the sticky note, click and drag, you can move it around the board. You can position it wherever you want. If you click on any of the four corners, click and drag, you can enlarge it or make it smaller. You can adjust the size. If you click on these three dots here, you can edit it, duplicate it, or delete it. Some of the other features include drawing freehand. To do that, always click the select button first. This little pen icon will allow you to draw freehand. So if you click the arrow next to it, it gives you some options in terms of the width of the mark that you'll make. So the pen is a little small, the marker a little wider, and so forth. I'm going to select the marker here, and you can even choose the color that you'd like to draw freehand. I'm going to choose this yellow color. Then you get a dot, and then you can just make a check mark, for example, or anything you want to write. If you don't like what you've just created freehand, you can select the eraser and then go back over here and erase what you just put in there. So that's how that works. If you'd like to upload an image to your board, you can do that by clicking on the image button. This feature is a laser and it allows you to kind of point out things temporarily. This is best used if you are all collaborating together at some point, and if somebody is communicating, they can point things out that way. So you certainly don't have to use Jamboard, but I think it's an interesting tool to help you gather some of your initial thoughts for, when it comes to hashing out the initial ideas for your projects. So again, if you have any questions, further questions about this, feel free to reach out. I best reach by my Muhlenberg email, and hope this was helpful. And I'm hoping that you can use this to create some really great projects together. Thanks for watching.